Drowning in to-dos and feeling totally disorganized? Stick around because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and effective task list in Notion that will transform your productivity. First, open your Notion workspace and create a new page. You can title it My Task List or whatever resonates with you. Now, let's create a simple table database. Type /table and select the inline table option. Great. Now, let's customize the columns to fit our needs. The first column is already titled Name, which is perfect for our tasks. Rename the second column to Status. Click on the Status property type and change it to Select. Then, add your status options like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can customize these to whatever suits your workflow. Perfect. Now for the final column, rename the third column to Due Date. Then click on the column's property type and change it to Date. Now, let's add our tasks. In the Name column, typing your tasks like write blog post, respond to emails, and schedule social media. Then, assign a status and due date to each task. And that's it. You've created a simple and effective task list in Notion. You can customize this further by adding more properties, like priority or project tags. Now you can stay organized, meet your deadlines, and finally conquer your to-do list with ease. Like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.